Hi there, I'm Scott Williamson, EVP of Product at GitLab. I'm going to talk about the product organization's OKRs for Q1, and I'll talk about how we intend to achieve them. So I'll share my desktop here. The first OKR is here under Director of Product Growth. This has to do with improving the customer experience with billing-related workflows. Right now, there's a lot of friction around many billing-related workflows, including direct sign-up, trials, upgrades, true-ups, and renewals. And the growth organization, in particular the acquisition team, the conversion team, the expansion team, and the retention team are all working on various improvements to those respective workflows. We shipped upwards of 50 different things in Q4. We expect that rate of development to continue on. And so the game here is to iteratively improve all these workflows. The second key result here, we expect that by doing this, our billing-related customer satisfaction scores should be 95% or greater. Those rose a lot last quarter because we focused on reducing the queue for renewals. This is a big thanks to Amanda and support for helping do that. By doing so, we raised that score up to 92%. So we've got a 3% customer sat gap to close there, and we think a lot of these improvements in how we execute the renewal workflow in the customer portal should help us do that. The third key result there, we also believe these changes will improve incremental IACV. By making it easier for customers to sign up, upgrade, renew, true up, we expect to get incremental IACV from making that customer experience much better. So the team can see their way to an incremental 561K in incremental IACV in Q1. The next topic is around pricing. We have a current, and what we want to do is complete a pricing analysis and, if required, roll out the related updates to pricing and packaging in Q1. We have a project that is in the back half of the project. We're working with a third-party consultancy. We are talking to customers and doing a bunch of qualitative and quantitative analysis of our pricing and packaging. We hope to come out of that with some concrete recommendations for pricing improvements. And if we choose to take those on, we want to implement at least the first phase of them in Q1. Moving on to the product section here, next generation product. Underneath the SMAO objective, we have a key result around delivering AMAL, Action Monthly Active Users, and SMAO, Stage Monthly Active User Tracking, with less than 2% uncertainty this quarter. We have a project that's well underway that Sid Reddy, the product manager, and an engineering from the growth team are working on to go get the AMAL data. This involves improving the performance of the usage ping and the queries so that it doesn't time out. And so there's some technical work going on there to be able to go get that data consistently. Once we do so, we'll then convert that into dashboards that the team can use to gauge AMAL and SMAO. So looking forward to that. Next topic is number 4 here, proactively validate problems and solutions with customers. This is a carryover OKR. We had the same one last time. We're awaiting results, but we did not meet the 70% goal of 70% of the team completing 2. We're still catching our rhythm here. we did a lot more than the previous quarter, but I wanted to keep another OKR in here to continue to make this a point of emphasis until it's just part of our rhythm, and the product managers and designers all have the skills they need to do this. So just going to keep doubling down on this. The next one, number 5, create demos of the top competitor in each stage to compare against our own demos completed in Q4. Last quarter, teams created walkthroughs, we call them, of sort of getting started in their own area, which highlighted some user experience challenges with getting started, which was the whole point. So that was a great exercise. We're going to complement that this quarter with demos of the lead competitor in each stage. A, this should drive competitive awareness, and B, it should be a nice comparison to the demos we did last quarter. We believe we can do this because we hit the target last quarter, so it's just a matter of prioritizing it time-wise. Next one, NPS. We really need to get a sense for customer satisfaction with respect to the product. We chose to track it via NPS, Net Promoter Score. And so the key result is to survey at least a quarter of our customer base, our paid customer base, with a response rate of greater than 4%, and get that done this quarter. This project is well underway. Farnoosh, the product ops PM, is working with Jeff Crow from research to get this done. We've recently surveyed 1,000. We're doing a kind of a small sample just to make sure our process works, and we didn't want to risk a huge send. So by the end of the quarter, we will have surveyed 25% of the customer base, and we'll then analyze the results. So we're off to a good start there, courtesy of some work that got started last quarter. And then finally, we want to dog food our own product at every opportunity. And so we have a joint goal with that's shared with the infrastructure team to dog food APM metrics this quarter. So Kenny, our director of product ops, holds this OKR, and the key result is just to ensure that dog fooding is properly prioritized so that this gets done. So PMs can frame it up and prioritize it. The infrastructure team can actually dog food the metrics. So the teams met last week, I believe, and Kenny feels like the communication lines are good. Both teams share ownership here, so we should be set up for success. That's it for me. Thank you very much.